So I'm running out of the space, but just manage. I'll just try to manage it. If you guys are not able to see, let me know. I'll try to put this node graph down. Okay, the next thing is to add a star fit. So I'll go to the read node. I have already sent you the star image. Okay, now say I want to composite this star field behind here. So for that, what I'm going to do is going to take another sphere. Just like your dome light. So if I just create, so as you can see, I have created the sphere and I attached the texture to that. Now the earth texture and the star texture both are the same place. So you are seeing this uh, two texture in the sphere. So I'll push this back. Now you guys will not able to see it because earth is just superimposing that star fit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scale the star globe to say 100. You can see a uniform scale, you can put like this. I'll go directly to the 100 and you can see those stars behind the earth. Obviously it looks pathetic, so we need to fix it. Maybe the 100 size is too much, so I can come here and make like 20 is okay for right now. Okay, now next thing is that the star does not in the galaxy, if you see some images from the Google, the star will be not that this much shiny, and plus I don't want this blue red thing to be happening. So I'm going to use hue saturation, hue shift, sorry. So you can see I'm just killing the saturation of this star. I can also go to the grade node and bring the brightness down by using gamma slider. That much stars. Okay, next thing what I'm going to do, there's a very cool thing in Nuke. This does not happen in every software. What you can do is apply a transform node here just below the texture, and if I start to do a scale down, you can see the UV is getting, if you see in the 3D now, the UV of that sphere is getting shrinked जब आप ट्रांसफॉर्म को थोड़ा छोटा करोगे. So this is very cool, does not happen with another software. So that will bring our star size really small. Don't go too much, नहीं तो जब कैमरा रोटेट करेगा तो वो दिखेगा नहीं. It's just like a projection. We'll talk about projection later, but this is and एक और चीज guys, if possible order a 3D glasses जिसमें रेड एंड ब्लू वाले ही होते हैं, उसको एनाग्लिफ ग्लासेस कहते हैं. सो गूगल इट, अगर वो आपको मिल जाता है तो उसको सर्च कर लेना. फ्यूचर में मैं आपको 3D कन्वर्जन दिखाऊंगा जहाँ पे आप चश्मा पहन के देखोगे तो आपको ये पूरा 3D दिखेगा. सो इफ यू गाइस कैन ऑर्डर, 100 रुपये 150 रुपये में आता है. सो इफ यू पॉसिबल जस्ट ऑर्डर इट.
ले लिया है सर, ले लिया.
ओके, जिनके पास है ठीक है, वो रेड एंड ब्लू होना चाहिए. वो सिनेमा हॉल वाला ब्लैक नहीं होना चाहिए. शुड बी रेड एंड ब्लू. एनाग्लिफ ग्लासेस आप सर्च करके देखना. Okay, so we got our star here back. Now say I want to add a sun. So to add a sun, I'm going to add another sphere. to the scene. And for the sun, I'm going to take a constant node, make it white right now. I'll change the color later. Bring that sun behind that earth. Okay, so if I just move something like this, you can see, and creates very cool effect. So for example, I can even hide this behind the earth, and जब camera move करेगा ना, so after some time you will able to see that some sun or moon effect, जो भी आप इसे कहना चाहो. Okay, now there is a problem. There are two problems. The first problem is that if I zoom ना, आप image से zoom करोगे, आप देखो ये edges बहुत zigzag दिख रहे हैं. So how you fix this? This can be fixed very easily. Now, if you remember, हम लोग 2D render कहाँ से ले रहे हैं? From the scanline render node. This is happening from here, not from 3D. 3D में आप देखोगे is perfect, तो problem नहीं है. So it's happening, something is problem happening in the scanline render. So if you go to the scanline render properties, there you will see an option called anti-aliasing. That is put to none. None. If it is none, you will see the zigzag option in your image. So put this to the medium or high. That should fix your edges. It's up to you how much you want. Obviously, higher anti-aliasing will take a lot of time. There are some more options. These are used for motion blur. Let's see if you get some time, you'll see that also. ठीक है. So एक बार जब आपके पास ये हो गया, okay, now we'll face a second problem. मेरे को क्या करना है ना, थोड़ा सा जो भी sun का surface है या I want to make this blur. Now, for example, if I go to the scan, now if I want to apply a blur node, again, I'll just show you. First problem, आप blur node को connect करोगे, यहाँ connect ही नहीं होगा, because these are 3D node and blur node is a 2D node. If you want to connect the blur node, it will be right below the scanline render, where 2D conversion is happening. Okay, so if I start increasing the blur size ना, problem क्या होगा, वो तीनों जो मेरे ज्योमेट्री ये तीनों पे इफेक्ट करेगा, which I don't want. I just want कि ये सन वाले एरिया पे इफेक्ट करे, ना कि अर्थ एंड स्टार्स पे. So for that, what I have to do, I have to take this. I'll just break this sphere from this scene. I'll copy the camera. I don't need to even copy the camera, but I'll just copy the camera and the scanline render. Copy. Just duplicating. Connect to the sphere. And I'm going to put the, sorry, we have a very limited space. I'll just bring this down here ताकि आप लोगों को दिखता रहे यार. I don't want कि आप लोगों को पता ही नहीं चले कि हो क्या रहा है. ठीक है, so I have brought that node here. Okay, so I'll just remove the blur for right now. So what I am doing is कि मैं इसको दूसरे scanline render पे रख रहा हूँ, इस element को, which is our sun, whatever you like to call. I'll connect the reformat. आप चाहो तो एक same दूसरा reformat ले सकते हो, the same reformat से connect कर दो चलेगा. Same goes with the camera. आप same camera से भी connect कर दो तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि दोनों का function animation same ही है. So we do not need two of them. एक से ही काम चल जाएगा. So what will happen? अभी एक और problem आएगा. You'll see in a second. अब मेरे को दोनों को देखना है. So I have to take a merge node again and say this will be behind, this will be in front. Okay, now I have put the sun behind this layer, but अभी भी sun नहीं दिखेगा आपको. So you can't see any sun. Now रीजन बीइंग क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है सन? एनी आइडिया?
No, sir.
So it's very simple. See, sun, ये जो लेयर है ना सेकंड पे चला गया. This has become my background. Now प्रॉब्लम क्या है मेरे foreground में? I just disconnect this. Foreground में मेरा क्या है? ये स्टार फील्ड भी है and अर्थ है. So what's happening? Nuke is interpreting that कि जो sun है ना वो इसके पीछे चला गया है. And ये पूरा black है जिसकी वजह से आपको sun नहीं दिखेगा. So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको इसको फिर इसको ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. स्टार को I'll composite it last. अगर मैं अब कनेक्ट करूं you will able to see the sun. दिख रहा है? लेयर स्टार जिस तरह से फोटोशॉप में होता है, अगर कोई चीज भरा होगा मिडिल में क्या करेगा? वो पीछे वाले चीजों को सॉरी आगे वाली चीजों को हाइड कर देगा. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आपका लेयर जब आप इस तरह से काम करने लगोगे न्यूक में फ्रॉम 2D से सॉरी 3D से 2D, तो थोड़ा सा लेयर ऑर्डर में ना कंफ्यूजन होना स्टार्ट होगा. तो चीजों को फोटोशॉप की तरह सोचो कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा था. So now for the last purpose again I have to take another scene or I can just take the scanline render क्योंकि एक ही नोड को कनेक्ट करना है. Alt C camera, same camera, and reformat node will also be the same. And again I'm going to take a merge node. This will be star will be now my background and this too will be my foreground. Now if I play, guys आया समझ में कि what was the problem?
Yes, sir.
चीजों को आपको लेयर की तरह सोचना पड़ेगा फोटोशॉप में कि सबसे आगे कौन सा लेयर रहेगा, सेकंड में कौन सा रहेगा, सो ऑन. उस तरह से आप सोचोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू कंपाइल दी प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, सो मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें सन का जो प्लेसमेंट है वो थोड़ा चेंज करना चाहूंगा. So I just like to move this little back, more back, and then I want to change the color. So I can go to the constant, change the color to a little bit yellow, orange, whatever, and then I can come here to the blur. I can start increasing the blur area, and then I can add a glow. I'll play with the tolerance level. Let's make the color little more orange. It's up to you how you the sun. You can make it more orange, whatever you like. I'll just make it simple.